This is everything you need to know on how to install timber panels. Hey, I'm Josh. Timber panels bring warmth, character and natural beauty to any room. They're great for feature walls, but can even be used as a bedhead. The texture and the grain of the timber adds a timeless organic element to the room. So, let's get into it. First, you'll need to choose your panel's colour. Pick a colour that complements your room and your personal style. You might also want to factor in your wall colour and the type of mood you're trying to achieve. We've gone with an oak colour. You'll need to decide on the type of wall finish you're after. Are you after full coverage, a bedhead look, or wall panels? Measure the length and width and mark the area where you want your panels to go. I'll be measuring from the top of the skirting board to the bottom of the cornice. I'm creating a bedhead look so it will be slightly wider than the bed. The good thing about these panels is that the majority of the hard work has already been done. You don't have to measure out each individual slat, but just the height and the width of each sheet. Prep the wall by sanding back any uneven surfaces if necessary. Once the wall is sanded, you want to clean it with some sugar soap. When you're ready to cut, measure and mark your cutting lines on the panel with a pencil. To avoid chipping the timber, apply 25mm masking tape over the cut lines. Mark the distance from the blade to the edge of the plate, and that's where you'll set your straight edge. Use a fine-tooth saw or a circular saw for a clean cut. If you have any power points that you need to cut out, measure the width and the length of them, then mark this out on the panel. The trick is to measure once and then measure again before cutting. Using a circular saw or jigsaw, cut them to size, and once they're cut to size, remove masking tape and clean off any residue. Use a fine 120 to 150 grit sandpaper to get some smooth edges. When you're ready to secure the panels to the wall, apply a good quality construction adhesive in a back and forth motion. Starting at the bottom, angle the panel against the wall. Push the panels onto the wall and apply some pressure for the adhesive to set. Now screw some button head screws through the felt into the wall. You're now free to style the room to your liking. Consider lighting, artwork, and your furniture placement to highlight the new panel feature. And there you have it, your stylish new wall panelling set to become a standout feature in any home. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.